Joining us for a lesson on how we can help our children develop healthy eating habits is nutritionist Keri Glassman. Kids' favorite, broccoli.
This looks like my lunch.
Yeah, this does look like Mark's lunch every day.
That's good. You're being a healthy role model, which is what this is all about.
Okay.
Eating healthy for kids starts at the dinner table. We want to have family meals. We want to eat together. It's your time to be a healthy role model, which it sounds like you are actually doing. And I know many people out there think, but I work late, or this kid has soccer practice. It doesn't have to be dinner. It can be breakfast. We're big breakfast people in our family.
Yeah, right.
So you really can make it happen. Kids also develop better vocabulary when they eat with their families. And teens, and I'm not just saying this for my own benefit, have better relationships with their parents. And you don't want to isolate that picky eater. It's a team sport. It's a team sport.
Yes.
And the other thing
one.
at those family meals, you also don't want to overtalk healthy eating. Show, don't tell. So don't say, eat your broccoli, eat your broccoli. Eat the broccoli, talk about life.
Best way to serve food for your kids.
Okay, so you want to serve a la your favorite French restaurant. Plate the food in the kitchen, and then, so don't do family style, and then leave out some vegetables or raw vegetables. Exactly, for seconds. Because if they just see the rice or the pasta and they eat that, they might then go back for more of that and never get to the vegetables or the protein. So it's not about depriving them of the rice or the pasta or anything. It's about adding in more of the vegetables.
What tips do you have when it comes to shopping for the food?
Okay, so when it comes to shopping with the food, you want to bring your kids to the grocery store, to the farmer's market.
But they put all of the sugar cereal at children height eyeball
They
level.
do. So you don't want to say, buy anything you want. That's actually overwhelming. You want to go to the produce aisle and say, buy any 2 vegetables you want. We're going to make them this week. When they're involved in the prepping and planning, they are more excited to eat it. And that's not overwhelming. That's empowering. And if you buy some of those veggies and you bring them home and you think, but they're not eating them, I'm going to say, waste the food. And before you all give me the side eye, I don't actually mean waste it. I mean keep making it for the kids. The kids that you keep prepping and giving vegetables, those are the kids that go off to college or go out into the world and know that vegetables are supposed to be part of the meal. Put them in the Pyrex dishes and you eat them yourself the next day.
Got it.
Got it. What about sweets? How do we develop a good relationship with sweets?
So when it comes to sweets, you don't want to reward with food. And I've been there. We've all been there. But you really want to try to avoid rewarding with food, because what it does is it puts that cookie on a pedestal that it may not have been on for your kid. And especially when you say eat your broccoli, then you can have the sweet. You're also kind of, it's like a negativity towards the broccoli when they may not have. You're kind of setting that tone for them where you don't need to. And when it comes to cake, birthday parties, let them eat cake. Don't deprive them of the cake. It's another opportunity for you to help them develop a healthy relationship with food, which is part of your job as a parent. Show them it's about healthy eating and indulging when it's appropriate to indulge.
I just have to say,
I love that cake.
On a side note, this is the most festive looking cake.
I know, I kind of want to bite right now.
This cake is what all cakes should look like. I'm just saying. It's the most adorable cake.
Keri, thank you so much.
Even in the morning.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you so much.